Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today I have a diner inside a shoebox that I want to show you. I made this creation a while back. I did post a video, but that was so long ago that I wanted to share it with you again because I'm sure that some of you maybe have never seen this before. So I just want to share. It is inside a shoebox. I took a file folder and I decorated the shoebox all around and the outside. So this black and white checkered folder is a folder, a file folder. The box already had that little hole which serves as a little window to look inside. So inside I also decorated the floor with the same file folder. As the seating, what I used was cosmetic sponges. So these that you see here are cosmetic sponges, and I just took some red cardboard and I covered the sides of the sponges so they just look like seating in there. And then I added these center pieces here to hold the partition between the two seats. You know how you're back to back with another person in a diner? So those are the partitions. Then on the table there, I used the same red cardboard to make some placemats. I added silver plates from my dollhouse, and as a cup right here, you probably know what that is, but that is from a decorative straws that I get at the Dollar Tree. And I added some napkins. Those are just napkins all cut up from my regular napkins in my kitchen. Then I had a little pizza pie, so I added it to this table here with a little mug and the burger, which is plastic. And I also placed some little signs over there from recipes, and they say soups and salads, and this one says desserts right there. Now, as the background here, people are sitting here and they are looking out, and that is the view. Isn't that beautiful? That is just a card of a picture, and I believe it's of Manhattan. You can see the entire view. And then over here we have two magnets held together to make a table, plus a whole bunch of other little push magnets in different colors so they all stay put and they don't fall. So I can pull this out and push it back in and it won't come out of place. Then on the side here I made a little section that looks like what the workers, the employees would use. So a lot of times you go to, like, let's say Red Lobster, restaurants like that, and they have a little area where they have their cabinets and their supplies. So they have some glasses, napkins, and things like that. And more up here. This is just a picture right there, a shelf with dinnerware. So that's the little section for the employees. And I took some duct tape and I wrapped it around the, what did I use? I used, you see over here, you see some wood? This is a wood piece. So I took a cardboard and I wrapped it in duct tape. Then took a marker and made the marks of handles and drawers. That's how I made that. Then inside, I added some eau de cologne bottles from the Dollar Tree in different colors. And on the side here, I added a mirror. This mirror, you can get two of them for $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. So that's it. This is all inside a shoebox. Look at that. And I've had this one for a real long time. But I know that many of you haven't seen it, so I wanted to kind of like post a little refresh of it. Alrighty, well, I hope that you enjoyed this. Thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.